Okay, today we shall be talking about crypto wallets, right? Crypto wallets, what are they? Cryptocurrencies wallets are actually softwares linked to the blockchain that execute transactions. I know when you have fiat currency is cash, okay? That's what I mean. When you have fiat currencies, you want to put it in a purse, right? You want to put it in a purse, but this is, in crypto, it's actually different. These are actually softwares linked to the blockchain that actually execute transactions. And every wallet has what is called a public key and a private key, right? And now, what is a public key? Public key, also known as the mailbox. People send cryptocurrencies to the address. So if you have a key, you send cryptocurrencies to that wallet. So it's like a mailbox, okay, where you can actually send crypto from one wallet to the other. That is a public key. And then you have what is known as a private key. Just from the name private, you hear that this is a key to your mailbox. That is alphanumerical characters. All right, this is very, very private. Some of these private keys, when you actually lose your main wallet, you can actually use the you can actually use the private key to gain back your wallet. So it's very important that when we talk about crypto wallets, you should know that there are, first of all, two keys involved, which is the public key and also the private key.